So, hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to IBFL Bharat. Myself Nikhil Agarwal. Today, again, I have brought to one more video, one more vlog in front of you on the topic busy. And yeah, you have already seen our six assignments. Today is the turn of the seventh assignment, which is very, very small, and we will complete it hardly in 8 to 9 minutes. And I request you all, please watch my complete video. And if any doubt arise, then please use the comment section for that. And if you had not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel. So let's start. And there's a communication window of busy in front of you, and we are creating the assignment name, company name as the assignment number. Assignment number 7 we are doing today, and the country we are taking India and state is Delhi. And the GST option we will set to no by pressing N and accept. Save this information, and the next window will open of super user, and we will create the super user name. There is no owner name here, and so we will take A7 as the owner name, you super user name, and password will be 123 and enter 123. We will save the information, and the future feature window is open. Then we will press escape to skip that. And now we are coming to transaction. Our first transaction will be in receipt voucher, as we are making the investment entry of capital. So we are taking here capital ledger by pressing F3 and create a ledger of capital under capital account as group. Press F2 and yes, capital we are investing is 50,000 here for cash, and press F2 now to save the voucher. Next entry is of deposit into bank. So we are depositing the amount in, we will use contra voucher for this, and pressing the add button. And now here we will take the bank ledger. For that we will press F3, take F3 and create a bank account under bank, and press F2. Here amount we are investing is 40,000, and cash is gone to bank. Save करते हैं. Received cash from Mohan. Next entry we are making in the voucher receipt, and we are getting money. We are receiving money from Mohan, but why we are receiving this money we don't know. That's why we will use loan account here, Mohan loan account. We will press F3 and creating the Mohan loan account, and we are providing or we are taking, it depends. We are getting a loan, so we will make it loans liability, and press F2, save. Amount of loan is 950 rupees, and it is in cash mode. Okay. Next is bought goods for cash. Bought means purchase. We will go in journal because we no items, no rate, and no quantity. So we will use journal voucher, and bought means purchases. We have the purchase ledger already. Amount of purchases is 10,000 rupees, and payment of cash we are making. Press save. Next is bought goods by check. Same entry we are doing again. Purchase will be in debit side, and amount is 15,000. But this time we are making the purchase through check. So we will take bank here. Save. Next entry will be June 1st. Sold goods by check and deposited in bank. We are making sales of goods by check, and we are taking bank because the check is already sent to bank for clearing. So we will make here entry bank. Amount of sales is 20,000 rupees, and in credit we are taking sales as a ledger here. Save. Next entry is paid to Arun by check. Why we are making payment to Arun? We will again deem it as a loan. We are providing loan to Arun, so we are coming in payment voucher. Press add and create a ledger of Arun loan account. Arun loan account here, and this will be our loans and advances. Press F2, and amount of Arun loan is 1900, and the mode of payment is bank. Take bank as credit, and here we will use the reference A001 as Arun loan reference डाल के. Next entry we are having drew from bank for office use contra voucher for this, and withdrew we are making. That's why cash will be in debit side. Amount is 1,000 rupees, and credit bank. So this is the last entry of our this question this assignment. Now, this is the time to check the display reports, balance sheet, horizontal standard, and we are taking it the second level of group details as yes, and press F2. This is the status, and let's check the balances. Cash balance we are having 1950. This is correct. Bank balance is 42,100. It is also correct. Loss for the period is 5,000 rupees. It is also correct. And the total of the balance sheet is given 50,950 and it is also correct. So this was the case study we are making. And the total time we have taken is approximately 6 minutes. And hope you liked it. If you liked it, press the like button and do not leave the channel without subscribing it and scan the QR code for supporting us. And whatever the amount you want to support, you can use it. Also, if you want to share the video, you can share with the needy ones so that they can also take benefit of our video without going anywhere. Let's go and watch you in the another video in the next vlog, lesson number 8. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and see you soon.